If you've been locked out of your Venmo account and need to reset your login credentials, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you through the process of resetting your password and recovering your account. Step 1. Open a Venmo app. Launch the Venmo app on your mobile device. If you don't have the app, you can also visit the Venmo website on your computer. Step 2. Select Forgot Password. Before starting recovery, use the s.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Enter your information. You will be prompted to enter the email address or phone number associated with your Venmo account. Fill in the required information and submit it. Step 4. Check your email or SMS. Venmo will send you a password reset link via email or a verification code via SMS depending on the information you provided. Check your email inbox or SMS messages for the link or code. Step 5. Reset your password. Follow the link in your email or enter the verification code in the app. You will then be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password and confirm it to complete the reset process. Once you have reset your password, you should be able to log into your Venmo account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Venmo's customer support for further assistance.